Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to open Bybit demo account. For that you need to launch your Bybit mobile application, and here on the home page you need to tap on the more option. Then you will be landed on the services page where you just have to scroll down and try to find the demo trading option. Now if you are not able to find it, then you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for demo. Now once the demo trading option appears in front of you, you just have to simply tap on it, and then it will show you the demo trading chart that will look something like this. So over here you just have to accept the terms and conditions, and as you can see that we are in our demo trading dashboard. Now over here you can read the charts, you can see the pricing of the coin, you can even change the pairs. Let's say I want to change the pair to BTC USDT, so you just have to simply tap on this section, and from this list you can select any of the choice of your coin. So since I have selected BTC USDT pair, after that you just have to simply tap on the cross option, and here it will show you what is cross margin and what is portfolio margin. So if you are a beginner, then I would recommend you to go with the cross margin. Next we have the leverage option. So by default it will be on the 10x leverage, but again if you are a complete beginner, then I would recommend you to go with either 2 or 3x leverage. Then we have the option of limit order, market order, conditional order, etc. So you can select the option as per your own trading skills. Most probably most of the people will go with the limit order or the market order. After that we have this slider which you can use in order to get the percentage of your USDT in order to put into this trade. After that you can tap on the buy long if you have the perceptions of the coin that it will go up, or you can even tap on the sell option if you want to sort it as per your own trading skills. So this way you can get out of the demo trading option on Bybit. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.